Well, what a week we have had. Here's just a little snapshot of our week. Yesterday, we got about 8 inches of snow. So today, we spent time playing in it and just hanging out, clearing the deck. And we have some really amazing neighbors in our community that help to clear our parking areas. Needs to be done every time we have a big storm because the snow will stick around for months and months. It's so pretty just watching it fall. But the kids started their broom hockey league this week, so we're all really excited. It's a fun community event and really great to cheer on the little kids. I always bake about every other week. I will bake multiple loaves of sourdough bread. I enjoy trying new versions of it, and here I was experimenting with using fresh herbs from my AeroGarden and putting them on the bread just for a little bit different style. We usually end up making plain most of the time because the kids like having sandwiches and peanut butter and jelly and such like that. But if you haven't tried making sourdough bread, I love doing this, and it's become a really life-giving, enjoyable hobby for me. And of course, my family loves it because we are eating that hobby, and it's really practical for me. But we also like to take walks, especially when it's been snowing a lot and it's good to get out of the house. Here I was checking up on the level of the lake because, like I said, we had a lot of flooding, but it looks like the level is going back down, and it should just be more of a normal storms from here on out, hopefully. And I like to keep busy with making new things in the kitchen. When I'm bored, I like to make little treats. This one was mostly for me because most of my family doesn't even like dates, but I was fine with that because if you're not going to enjoy what you're making, what's the point, right? Anyways, we've had a lot of movies going on just because of all the rain, and we had to actually stay off the roads. School was actually canceled for one day just because of that. It was just unsafe to be out and around. So we holed up and just got cozy and made ourselves busy with things inside. But we've never, ever seen rain like this. Most of California got hit really hard with heavy rains. It was Monday of this week. But this is just a peek around camp before roads were shut down at how massive the flooding was. But yes, we have quite a busy life up here, and I'm happy just to show a little bit of that life. But thanks again for watching and following along.